We did in this class is about transitioning using stalls and stops to move between timing directions and planes. And we did that. We talked about that. We definitely did that. So how we did that is we did all the timing directions with just our hands and blast through them. Sorry, you've heard me say it a million times. Together time, same direction. Split time, same direction. Together time, opposite direction. Split time, opposite direction. Give you the kid version. Window washing, swimming, I have no other name for this, butterfly, and double dutch. Interesting side note, double dutch actually does both opposite direction timing. If you've ever actually done double dutch, you know, they actually do this one, and then they do the big jumps when they meet at, anyways, if you've ever done double dutch, you may have noticed that. But anywho, after doing that, we changed planes with those, right? We did together time, same direction, stopped, changed planes, right? Stopped, changed planes. What we thought about is we grabbed the bar, we point isolated under the thing, and we went in the other plane, okay? We did that at the top. You can also do that at the bottom, right? And all the other points. No problem. Okay? Do a top and bottom, right? What the heck? Right? So we did that all our hands. We also did that with together time opposite directions. We did together opposite direction. We stopped at the top. And then we change planes, change planes. No problem, right? Stopped at the bottom. Change planes. Change planes. Change planes, right? After doing all of that, we moved on to one point, which was, then we did stalls for a while, right? We kind of just like, they're like, why are these stalls coming from? Why are we guys doing stalls right now? Kind of out of nowhere. But what we did is we practiced our down stall, mostly, because that's the important ones to do the basic versions. And then we moved the down stall everywhere, put it over there, over here, down there. And then we moved on and we showed you the other ones really quickly. Side stalls, the up stalls, and the dreaded top side stall, which interestingly enough is important if you want to be able to do this one, which everybody wants to be able to do. So just gotta learn this one, okay? All right, so after we did that with one point, we went over spin versus anti-spin. I told you some really deep things that are probably the most important thing I told you the entire class, but you might not even notice that. But practice the flowers by counting your beats. With spin flowers, whatever timing direction is, you count when they're in. It's always going to be that way. Count, count, count. Feels like you're waiting, right? Count, count, count. I'm not really hitting I'm intentionally hitting my arm there, guys. Let you know. I like trying to boom, boom. Okay? Good. Practice that in both planes, right? Holding it in front of you like this. Doing some like on the side of your body like this. Practice both planes. After we did that, we did anti-spin flowers, and we counted the beats on the outside, remember? Out, 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 out. Then you just make, because that's important if you want to practice stalling those points, right? Getting those beats, okay? After we did both those things, we moved on to together time, same direction, spin flowers, changing planes. I'm gonna fly through this here, going kind of slow. So anyways, we stop here, change planes, do together time, same direction, spin flowers, change planes, okay? So I'm kind of exaggerating that plane change there, but okay. We also could do that on the bottom. We didn't do that, but just keep in mind that you also can do them there, okay? Okay. After we did all of that, we did that in together time opposite direction, right? We did together time opposite direction. We stopped, we changed planes, right? Actually, I skipped the part, but that's okay. This is us doing it all in spin. And then we did the anti-spin versions, right? Sorry, I forgot about those. We did the anti-spin versions, which we're stopping at the bottom instead. Stop. Right? Sorry, skip these. And then we did that in together time opposite direction, or I said it, and some of you did it. Okay. Then after all of that plane changing things, we went and did both. We just changed timing direction in the same plane, which was this one. Remember this? We did this guy. Oh, that hand exercise. Remember? Did all this modern dancer thing, or whatever jazz dance. Back together, apart, right? So we did that with our hands, and then we did that with our poi and spin flowers. Ah, yes, there it is. Okay, that's just changing time direction in the same plane. Then we did that changing plane and an anti-spin. So the anti-spin version was there you go. Okay, then we changed planes with both, which was equally subtle. Stopped, change planes, here I am. Stop, change planes, there I go. Okay? And then we did some hand exercise, we looked at each other, and we did some stuff like this, and tried to like practice that a little bit. And then yeah, I showed you time directions, and that was it. Thanks for coming.